Morning, folks. I'm Dave Canterbury with Self-Reliance Outfitters in the Pathfinder School, and you can see my breath here. It's a little cold this morning. I just fired the wood stove up here in the wall tent and gonna fix myself some breakfast. But while this thing's warming up, I thought it's a good time to talk about this Woobie hoodie because I've got it on over the top of a regular hooded sweatshirt to keep me warm until the wall tent warms up. And for the last probably 10 years, I've been wearing these Woobie hoodies in different colors, from woodland camouflage to black to the tiger stripe camouflage. And I've worn them in lots and lots of videos, and I continuously get questions about where can I get one of those Woobie hoodies. So what we've decided to do at Self-Reliance Outfitters is we've decided to have some manufactured by a very reputable company that have our private labeling built into them. I want to talk to you about this Woobie hoodie today and show it to you because we're going to pre-sale them starting on Friday. We're only going to run 300, and we're going to pre-sell them because we're going to sell them by size. I'm not a big fan of stocking a lot of clothing because then you don't know what size is necessarily to stock. So we're going to pre-sell them by size so that you get the exact size you want, but the lead time is a little longer because of that. And we'll talk about that during this video. So stay with me and we'll get started. So if you're unaware of what a Woobie hoodie is, let's talk about that first, okay? In the U.S. military, I don't know if they currently use them or not, but when I was in, they still use them. They used what was called a Woobie or a poncho liner, and Woobie was kind of the pet name for the poncho liner. And it was quilted, batted material that had batting insulation inside of it. That was a quilted nylon material that you could use in conjunction with a poncho. That's why it was called a poncho liner. It had ties that would tie into the grommets of the poncho to make a cowboy bedroll, for lack of a better word, that you could sleep with on the ground and be waterproof because of the poncho, warm because of the Woobie that was inside the poncho liner. Now, there were jackets made from that material called a smoker's jacket when I was in the military that kind of went underneath a field jacket. But it was a very, I would call that a loose form for jacket, okay? Because they generally had hollows underneath the armpits to keep them sweating probably. They buttoned into the field jacket itself and it became a field jacket liner. And it was made very similar to the Woobie itself or the poncho liner, but it was a field jacket liner. They were very similar things. And in the last 10 years, 15 years, people have started making actual jackets, pullover anoraks and things like that from this Woobie style material. And they are very, very warm. I've done lots of videos on cold weather clothing, what I wear in cold weather, and the dress that I use for cold weather. And it always, always, always includes one of these Woobie jackets because they're warm. I like the zip up better than I like the anorak style because you can thermoregulate better by unzipping it all the way down if you need to. That allows you to let things breathe better than having to shuck an anorak or just open it up part of the way down, all right? This is pretty much my mid-layer when it comes to a cold weather system. If I'm wearing, merino wool undergarments in expedition weight, this is kind of my second layer to provide insulation, trap dead airspace between my body, the wool, and the next outer layer, which is generally either wool or wool and some kind of a wind layer or just a wind layer depending on the severity of the weather. But this Woobie jacket is something that I wear lots and lots of times, even if I've just got a t-shirt on or a long sleeve shirt. I'll throw this Woobie jacket on top of that if it's fairly chilly outside in the mornings because they compress very, very small, so they're very, very packable. All right, so basically you have a hooded garment that has pockets in both sides that have zips on them. This one has a Velcro patch on the back side where the hood is, so you can put anything you want on that thing, whether it's a tag with your name on it or your favorite morale patch of some kind, you can put it on there. On the inside, you have the Pathfinder Gear logo. You can see this one is a 2X, okay? I'm 5'8", I weigh about 210, but my shoulders are fairly wide, so I have to wear bigger garments. These do run true to size, okay? So a 2X is a pretty good fit for me because I want something that's not tight because I want it to trap dead airspace, but yet I want something that's not too big because I'm going to put another jacket over the top of it. And a 2X works really good for that. If you look at this, it has very, very heavy duty reinforced stitching throughout. It has a really nice zipper on it. It has a drawstring for the hood. You can see the reinforcements even in the hood of that stitching. This is a very, very good quality garment, okay? And I've had lots of these Woobie hoodies. I probably have 6 of them that I own, all right? And I will tell you now, this is one of the better quality ones that I've owned, all right? It also has on the inside, it has a pocket here that's about the right size for a cell phone or your wallet. And it's got one of those in both sides. You could actually put a pair of wool mitts in there if you wanted to, or a pair of wool gloves. That's what I generally do, is just stuff a wool glove in each side of that, so I've always got them. And my pockets are free to put my hands in. There's really nothing in them if I need to warm my hands up real quick. So this is a very, very good quality, what's called a Woobie hoodie. Now, let's talk about what we're going to pre-sell. This is the Woobie hoodie that we're going to be pre-selling. It will be in this M81 woodland camouflage. You've seen me wear this in lots and lots of videos recently. I've been wearing this for 2 or 3 months. I don't pay any attention to it going through briars and things like that, and it has not tore it up. Out on the trap line, trapping beaver, walking through the briars to get back in the swamp, things to get those beaver out. I didn't worry about it, and it hasn't gotten tore up a bit. So it's a very heavy duty garment as well. Now, a couple things with this. Number one, I want to show you real quick. Let me take it back off. That was kind of dumb. I should have done this beforehand. But one of the things that I do, and I showed this in a video a long time ago, is I like to use this as a pillow. So what I'll do is, I'm going to put it up here on the table so you guys can see this. This is just a quick tip or trick, I guess, if you will. Moving my glasses off here and move this radio out of the way. What I'll do with this is, like I said, you got a drawstring on both sides. So what I'll do with this Woobie hoodie is I'll fold everything up to the front, just like this, and I'll fold the arms over the top, and then I'll just roll this thing up, and I'll put it inside the hood, just like this, and then I'll take the drawstrings in the hood, and I'll pull them down, and it's a through string, okay? So it's easy to even up, and things like that. I'll pull that down, and I'll tie that in whatever configuration I want. It's generally just a bow, to be honest with you. And I use that for my pillow at night when I'm sleeping. And you can see that's compressed pretty small now, and that's not as small as it will get. That's just stuffing everything into the hood. It will actually get much smaller than that. You can get this thing down to not the size of a softball, but pretty close to it if you compress it. If you throw it in the bottom of your pack and smash it down with everything on top of it, something like that, it doesn't take up hardly any room. And because it's that nylon material with that batting in it, it doesn't weigh anything. It's a very, very lightweight garment. It's got a hanging loop on it here, so you can, when you put it on a hanger and you slide it around, it doesn't fall off the hanger. Or you can also hang this in your camp and things like that off a toggle to keep it in one place, to hang out, to air out, or whatever you want to do with it at night or during the day when you're not wearing it. It's a very, very good quality garment, and it has a drawstring in the bottom with a cord lock on it. It's a shock cord drawstring, so you just pull it down and it cord locks, okay? And that works really good for helping, again, to trap dead airspace when you've got this garment on, so that you don't have breeze coming up through the bottom of it. All right, I just had to throw a couple pieces of wood in the wood stove here real quick. So now let's get to kind of the nuts and bolts of this deal, okay? Okay, so a couple things about this Woobie. The first thing is I want you to know that they only make this up to 3X. So we're not going to have 4X available. And I apologize for that if you're larger than 3X, but I can't control what the factory is able to produce. And they can only make them up to 3X. So that is what it is. What we're going to do is we're going to take pre-orders for these starting on Friday. They're going to be $99.95, okay? You'll select a size on the website that you want, and you will be put in the queue with everybody else, and we're going to do a run of 300 of these Woobie hoodies, all right? So if you want one, I would suggest you get it pretty fast. Get your size in, get it bought, and you will be set to have one when they come in. Okay, the delivery date to our factory for these is going to be early to mid-May. We'll keep you guys abreast of what's going on there, but we'll ship them as soon as we get them, any order that the order was received. So there's lots and lots of reasons for this. Number one, I don't like to stock clothing, again, because sizes are too much of a pain. You get stuck with inventory that you can't sell. It even happens with t-shirts and hoodies, but I make an exception for that because they're such popular sellers. With this Woobie hoodie, I don't know how popular they're going to be, even though I've been asked 1,000 times where I can get this Woobie hoodie. Now you can buy one Pathfinder Gear branded Woobie hoodie, and it's $99.95. We sell them from small all the way to 3X. So all you're going to have to do is pick your size, and then when they come in, we'll ship them again in the order that the order was received, and you'll get your Woodland Camo Woobie hoodie. The first run is going to be this M81 Woodland. No other colors are available at this time. Okay guys, real quick on this video, just a couple updates real fast just to get you going, let you know what's going on with us. Videos may be a little bit slower coming over the next couple 3 months. I've got a lot going on. My schedule really next week starts slamming, okay? Events that we're going to be at in the next couple 3 months here that you can come see us at, get a selfie, get a book signed, just shoot the breeze for a little while. Come by and see us. We'll be there with the Pathfinder School and Self-Reliance Outfitters. We'll be at HangCon, which is the largest hammock camping convention or event in the United States and probably in the world. And it is in Florida. We'll be there next week. Okay, you can look that up online at hangcon.com. After that, we'll be at the Southern Adventure Vehicle Expo in Florida. We'll be at the Jasper Jeep Jam in Arkansas. And we'll be at the Great Outdoor Show in Tennessee. So you can look up any of those shows and you can come by and see us over the next couple 3 months. And then we've got classes in between all of that stuff as well. And we have the Everglades Adventure Camp at the end of March. The Everglades Adventure Camp is a really cool opportunity to go down to the Everglades, camp for 4 days at an abandoned fish camp in the Everglades with a bunch of guys. We're going to do 4 hours of spearfishing, 4 hours of guided fishing for invasive species and things like peacock bass. And then that all comes with the package. And then we're also going to, on top of that, we offer before the camp gator hunts and iguana hunts, half-day iguana hunts and night gator hunts for an additional fee on top of the camp. But you can find that information on our website, selfrelianceoutfitters.com, under the Florida Adventure Camp. That's the first adventure camp of 3 that we're doing this year. And again, I think that one only has 2 slots left. So if you're on the fence about that or you hadn't heard about it, you're just now knowing about it, get to the website and sign up, and we'll see you down in the Everglades at the end of March, beginning of April. I appreciate your views. I appreciate your support. I thank you for everything you do for our school, for our family, and for our business. For all of our sponsors, instructors, affiliates, and friends, 2026 is going to be a great year. We've got lots and lots of events planned and scheduled that we're going to be at, from overlanding events to bushcraft events to trail life events. And all of those things, except the trail life events, are open to the public. But if you're involved in trail life, you can come see us at the trail life events as well. Again, I appreciate everything you guys do for us, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Don't forget, Woobie hoodies, 1 o'clock Friday, pre-sale start, $99.95. We're only going to make 300, so don't miss out, guys. Thanks.